Today is October 3rd. I am Vicky and this is Simon Says. Our Kahoot Cup is halfway. Right now, Terry is taking the lead, but Lucy is catching up. Who will be the winner? It might be your class if you keep coming. However, there's no Kahoot Cup this Wednesday because there's no school, and Shona will tell us why.
The SEC theme this week is Alberta, including Indigenous Peoples. If you look around the U of A campus, including Enterprise Square, you will see lots of reminders of Indigenous peoples. Our schedule this week will look a little bit different. On Wednesday, the English language school will be closed. The staff are going on a retreat for professional development. So there will be no in-person classes. Your instructor will give you instructions about what work you're to do. But other places on campus will still be open. So maybe you want to go to North Campus to one of the libraries to hang out or do your work. On Friday, Vicki and I invite you to join us on a walk. We'll be leaving from the SEC space at 1 p.m. and going into the river valley, taking the funicular and going over one of the new bridges that's got some great Indigenous art. Vicki will send an email with a sign-up link on Wednesday. One last thing, the U of A is now offering COVID-19 bivalent boosters. Bivalent just means it protects you against COVID and the original SARS. So if it's been more than 6 months since your last booster, you might want to look into it.
Before we go, I also asked some of you, where do you want to go in Alberta? And here are their answers.
I want to go the Banff National Park because I never been to there, and I heard there have beautiful lake and gorgeous national signs.
Drumheller, because I haven't been there yet, and
because I like dinosaur, I want to see fossil. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yay.
And this was
Simon Says.